guys, it's Homesteading Cheaper by the Dozen. Today we're out hoping maybe today we'll get our fence finished up. We got the neighbors have a fence in the back row. We're gonna add the 3 foot of chicken wire to that. And we've got, I don't know if you can see or not, got the cattle wire and then the chicken wire up there. And Mama's out here. Got the little guys cleaning up the orchard and getting ready to plant some trees. And getting the roots and the bee sticks and things like that. Hi, girl. So I came down here and we've stapled off the first couple posts and just got them temporary braced so they don't pull out whenever we start stretching. Got some firewood still out here, but little stumps occasionally and a bunch of roots. So everybody's helping out, trying to get it smoothed up and ready to go. We got all that bunch of trees and blueberries ready to go in, and then we're gonna dig the back, or dig these out and put them in again. We're gonna start from the back coming forward, and that way I think we're gonna have probably 2 rows of peaches and a row of plums, and then a row or 2 of pears and apples and cherries, a little bit of everything. So there's a cherry tree, or no? Yeah, it's a cherry. Another pear. But anyhow, this is how we're gonna stretch the fence. Boys misplaced dad's come along, so we're gonna go with this dude. All right, let's start cranking. What do you guys got going?
A cranker.
How's it hooked up, Jordan? Did you know you could use a farm jack like this? In case anybody doesn't know, this is why Jeeps have these high lift jacks or farm jacks attached to their back bumper a lot of times, because if you have this little, alright, are we dug in the ground?
No, I'm just lifted it.
If you have that little foot there, which most of them come with, you can turn it sideways and you can use this dude for a winch. We got a chain on the old wood shed here, and here's some creaking. Don't want to pull the shed over. Getting tight. How's it looking? Woo. Why? Whack y'all in the head. Alright, stop. Pull up out of the ground. It wasn't dug in too bad. Alright, check how tight it is. Pretty nice?
Yep, it's pretty nice.
Let's go. Try to get it as tight as we can. Let's go another couple pumps. But yeah, these farm jacks, if nobody has one, somebody hadn't bought one for the homestead or the farm, got to go out and buy one. These things are awesome. You can do all kinds of stuff. Lift stuff, use them for a winch. I finally upgraded. Mine was, I bought years ago. Pull the bottom back out of the dirt again.
Okay.
The old one I bought years ago, I bought it brand new, and it never quite, the action never worked right, and I filed on it and greased it and played with it, and we used it a lot, but it was more aggravation than it was worth. I found this one at a pawn shop for like 50 bucks or 40 bucks. So been happy ever after. All right, the old shed is creaking, so. We just took that stake. All right, hold still for a second, honey. We just took that stake and just wove it through there, and then just attached to it. All right, boys, let's, oh yeah, nice and tight. See if we strap that up. We can play some banjo music. Anyhow, that's our take on fence stretching. Like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up, Jordan. How about 2 thumbs up? And y'all have a blessed day.